Understanding the difference between heavy cream and half and half is crucial for both seasoned chefs and everyday cooks alike, as it can significantly affect the outcome of recipes, from the texture of sauces to the richness of desserts. Here's a detailed exploration of both dairy products to help you make informed decisions in your cooking and baking endeavors. What is heavy cream? Heavy cream, also known as heavy whipping cream, is a thick, rich dairy product with a fat content that typically ranges between 36% and 40%. This high fat content not only gives heavy cream its luxurious texture, but also allows it to be whipped into stable peaks, making it a favorite for creating whipped cream, enriching soups and sauces, and adding decadence to desserts. The high fat content also means that heavy cream can be cooked at higher temperatures without curdling, making it ideal for simmering and baking. What is half and half? Half and half is a lighter dairy product made by combining equal parts whole milk and light cream, resulting in a fat content that generally ranges from 10% to 18%. This makes it less rich than heavy cream, but more substantial than milk. It's widely used in coffee, tea, and other beverages to add a touch of creaminess without the heaviness of cream. Half and half is also a popular choice for lighter sauces and soups, where a creamy texture is desired without the full richness of heavy cream. Key differences between heavy cream and half and half. 1. Fat content. The most significant difference is the fat content, with heavy cream being much richer due to its higher percentage of fat. This affects not only the texture and taste, but also how each product behaves in cooking and baking. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. 2. Usage in recipes. Due to its richness and ability to whip, heavy cream is often used in desserts, thick sauces, and soups. Half and half, being lighter, is preferred in coffee, tea, and lighter sauces or soups where a heavy texture is not desired. 3. Caloric content. With higher fat comes higher calories. Heavy cream is calorie-dense due to its high fat content, typically containing about 50 to 60 calories per tablespoon. This makes it a luxurious addition to recipes, providing a rich texture and flavor, but also adding a significant number of calories. For those concerned about caloric intake, heavy cream should be used sparingly, reserved for dishes where its unique qualities can shine without requiring large quantities. In contrast, half and half is lighter, both in texture and in calories, containing about 20 to 30 calories per tablespoon. This lower calorie count is a result of its reduced fat content. Half and half offers a way to achieve a creamy texture and a hint of richness in food and beverages without the heavy caloric load of cream. It's an excellent option for everyday use, where a balance between flavor and caloric content is desired. 4. Culinary results. Heavy cream can be whipped into stiff peaks and withstand high cooking temperatures without curdling. Half and half, due to its lower fat content, cannot be whipped and is more likely to curdle if boiled, making it unsuitable for certain recipes. 5. Substitutability. While they can sometimes substitute for each other in a pinch, the results will vary due to the differences in fat content. For example, using half and half instead of heavy cream in a recipe that calls for whipping will not work, as half and half does not whip well. Choosing between heavy cream and half depends on the desired outcome of your recipe. For rich, indulgent dishes and desserts, heavy cream is the go-to choice. For a lighter touch of creaminess in beverages or dishes, half and half serves well. Understanding these differences ensures that you can make the best choice for your cooking and baking needs, achieving the perfect balance of flavor and texture every time.